Want to future-proof your career and your bank account? The AI gold rush isn't slowing down in 2025. From robots with people skills to AI that paints, drives, and diagnoses, the job market is evolving fast. Whether you're switching lanes or leveling up, these 10 high-income AI skills can help you stay ahead of the curve and cash in while you're at it. 10th, AI ethics and governance. What do you get when you mix cutting-edge tech with a conscience? Artificial intelligence ethics. This field is where philosophers meet engineers and ask questions like, should a robot judge my resume or my hairstyle? It's all about making sure AI is fair, transparent, and not quietly plotting to turn us all into batteries. With governments getting serious, hello EU AI Act, and companies trying to avoid PR disasters, ethical AI is now as crucial as Wi-Fi. So if you're the kind of person who loves tech, but also loses sleep over algorithmic bias, this might be your jam. Bonus: ethics officers are pulling in around $121,800 annually. Proof that doing the right thing actually pays. 9. Generative AI and diffusion models. Generative AI is basically AI's artsy side, the one that loves to create dreamy images, surreal videos, and occasionally horrifyingly realistic fake people. From GANs to diffusion models, this tech powers everything from viral TikTok filters to trippy VR worlds. It's the Picasso of code, and companies are cashing in. OpenAI and Stability AI are leading the charge, proving that your next designer, video editor, or even novelist might be silicon-based. If you're creatively inclined but hate blank pages, this field offers an AI muse and a paycheck averaging $174,727. Not bad for turning code into modern art. 8. Large language model operations, LMOps. If LLMs like GPT are the brains behind today's AI revolution, then LLM ops folks are the tech wizards making sure those brains don't have meltdowns mid-convo. They wrangle massive models, keep inference pipelines flowing, fine-tune performance, and reduce the eye-watering cloud bills. Basically, they're part DevOps, part AI whisperers, and 100% in demand. As more businesses launch AI tools, the need for pros who can keep these models scalable and sharp is skyrocketing. And the reward? A sweet average salary of around $220,000 in major tech hubs. It's like DevOps, but cooler, and more likely to argue with you about Kantian ethics. 7. AI for healthcare applications. AI in healthcare is like having Dr. House, Watson, and a Fitbit all rolled into one. It diagnoses, predicts, and personalizes treatments faster than you can say, WebMD lied to me. Whether it's identifying early-stage diseases, optimizing treatment plans, or powering smart wearables, AI is helping doctors become superhuman without needing a Marvel origin story. It's no surprise the field is booming, especially post-pandemic. Depending on your skills and the startup's budget, and if their coffee machine works, salaries range from $127,000 to $215,000. So if you want to help save lives and stack cash, healthcare AI might just be your prescription. 6th, green AI and efficiency engineering. AI might be smart, but it can also be an energy-hungry beast. That's where green AI steps in. Think of it as the Tesla of machine learning. Green AI specialists and efficiency engineers are the ones building eco-friendly models that won't melt the ice caps or fry your GPU. With rising environmental awareness and electricity bills, this role is becoming mission-critical. You're not just making AI faster and cheaper, you're making it sustainable, and for that, you'll earn around $130,000 a year while helping the planet breathe a little easier. Saving Earth with code? Sounds like a superhero origin story waiting to happen. 5. AI security, because hackers love a smart target. AI security is the digital equivalent of building a fortress around your most brainy and expensive employee. With AI models now everywhere, from your chatbots to your fridge that critiques your snack choices, they've become juicy targets for cyber attacks. Hackers don't even need to break in anymore. They can trick models with adversarial inputs that are basically optical illusions for machines. Imagine a stop sign that looks normal to you but tells an AI car to YOLO through the intersection. Yeah, no thanks. Governments are also stepping in with regulations, demanding that AI not only be clever, but also secure. So whether it's safeguarding data, ensuring model integrity, or keeping deepfake disasters at bay, AI security pros are in hot demand. This field is perfect for those who like thinking one step ahead of the bad guys, like a cyber Sherlock Holmes with a math degree. As more critical systems become AI-powered, the need for strong defenses is non-negotiable. And the payoff? Aside from saving civilization from rogue bots, you could be earning a six-figure salary while doing it. Not bad for someone who literally thinks like a machine and defends it like a ninja. Lecture 4, Multimodal AI, when one sense just isn't enough. If AI were human, multimodal AI would be the overachiever with perfect vision, a sharp ear, and the vocabulary of a novelist. This field is about creating models that don't just read text or recognize faces, they do it all. We're talking images, audio, text, maybe even scent one day. Don't laugh, AI wine sommeliers might be next. These models can take in multiple formats and respond just as richly, like if Siri got a PhD and started painting. Why is it trending? Because reality isn't single sensory. Think about applications like DALL-E, generating wild art from captions, CLIP, understanding image-text relationships, or WHISPER, translating speech into multiple languages with eerie fluency. Multimodal AI is the future of digital assistants, smart search engines, and interactive content. And with every app trying to be the next big thing, demand for engineers who can build these brainiacs is booming. These roles often rake in $220,000 plus per year, which is basically hazard pay for turning robots into Renaissance beings. So if you're part developer, part mad scientist, and love the idea of building AIs that see, speak, and understand the world, multimodal is your playground. 3. Reinforcement learning, teaching AI with treats, sort of. Reinforcement learning, RL, is what happens when you train AI the same way you train your dog, but with math instead of milk bones. It's about teaching agents to take actions, learn from rewards or penalties, and gradually figure out how to win at life, or games, or stock trading. It's used in everything from AlphaGo whooping humans in board games, to robots learning how to do parkour without face planting. Why is it hot right now? Because AI isn't just about chatting or analyzing anymore, it's about doing. RL powers autonomous cars that learn to navigate chaos, financial bots that optimize trades better than Wall Street wolves, and warehouse robots that play 4D chess with logistics. Plus, the rise of scalable RL frameworks means companies can experiment faster, cheaper, and with fewer broken robot limbs. If you like the idea of AI agents running around simulated worlds, earning gold stars, or losing them spectacularly, this is your jam. It's the closest you'll get to building a virtual pet that becomes a genius. And with that comes serious coin. Top RL roles pay six figures easy, especially if you're helping train the next robot CEO. 2. Edge AI, brain power at the source. Edge AI is what happens when AI leaves the cloud, hops into your smartwatch, and says, "I'll handle it from here." Instead of sending data to a distant server farm for processing, Edge AI keeps it all local, right there on your phone, drone, or smart fridge. It's faster, more efficient, and much less creepy when you think about privacy. No more wondering where your voice recording went after yelling at your virtual assistant. The need for real-time, low-latency AI is exploding, especially in wearables, AR/VR, autonomous devices, and smart homes. Whether it's your fitness tracker monitoring your stress levels mid-run, or your VR headset adapting to your panic in a horror game, Edge AI makes it all feel instant and alive. And let's not forget, less data traveling back and forth also means lower costs, better energy efficiency, and reduced carbon footprint. If you love embedded systems, care about privacy, or just hate waiting for cloud responses like it's dial-up all over again, Edge AI is calling. And yes, those engineers are making $150,000 plus per year, which is more than enough to buy a lot of smart gadgets. or fund your own AI-powered coffee machine startup. 1. AI-powered robotics, where code meets cold, hard steel. AI-powered robotics is the field where software gets out of the cloud and literally walks the talk, sometimes on two legs, sometimes with wheels, and occasionally with terrifying grace. These systems combine machine learning, real-time sensors, and old-school mechanics to create machines that move, think, and interact with the physical world. Whether it's robotic arms performing surgery or humanoid bots folding laundry, badly armed for now, this is where AI stops being theoretical and starts getting hands-on. Why is it booming? Because industries, from manufacturing to elderly care, want robots that are smarter, more adaptable, and less prone to spilling things. AI gives these bots the brain power to adapt in real time, learn from experience, and even see and hear their surroundings. It's not just pre-programmed movement anymore, it's decision-making on the fly. And with Boston Dynamics-style viral videos becoming real commercial demos, demand is soaring. If you're into engineering with a sci-fi twist and dream of building helpful, not dystopian robots, this is your golden ticket. Roles in AI robotics can fetch $140,000 to $200,000 plus annually, depending on specialization. So yeah, you can build the future and afford a robot vacuum to clean up after you while you're at it. AI isn't just the future, it's the paying future. Start learning one of these skills today and turn curiosity into a six-figure paycheck.